fucking way. Everybody, every single member of the enemy team had double-digit kills, even their support.
Nerd rage!
11, 13, 15, 21, 13. And Jed was like, I popped timer so hard at the end, I go, yeah, you only had to get double-digit kills on everyone else to be able to pop me. Go on feeling proud, man.
It's taken an entire 3 videos in order for her to solve 1 Rubik's Cube. How many would it take for you?
With his feet.
I was like that with his feet. But yeah, Hunter had a really good point there. How many would it take for you? Probably 27 million.
Oh.
And 1.
That game hurts so bad. I can't even play ranked anymore.
It was 1,401 feet tall. I don't think that's possible, Sam. Just remember, Dad, it's always a bad idea to give power to someone with the name Nigel. Yeah, that's a good rule to live by, actually. Never give power to a man named Nigel. Right? Hashtag no power to Nigel. Right? Is it just me, or does that sound incredibly namesist?